Ing heritage tours kareng kayanakan at estudyante. Ing Pasig na nga ni Angeles City Government kapamilatan ng Tourism Office ay ni-report ng Patricia Mamangon.
Pasig na nga ni Angeles City Tourism Office, king pamanimuna ng Tourism Officer Louis Lazatin ng kampanya king turismo ning syudad kapamilatan ning heritage tours ase sentro king kultura at tradisyon ning Angeles City. Lalam ning tagline na Experience, Live, Love Angeles City.
Pero meron tayo isang yaman na hindi matutumbasan. Ito ang puso, talento at kultura ng mga Angelenyos. We want to connect travelers not just to destinations, but to stories, to people, and to culture.
King genapan ang News at Use Media Forum ni Pampanga Press Club Ketiking Park Inn by Radisson Clark. Dinina ng prioridad Lazatining kapag nasaning programa na mas apalalam ang pamagpaulaga dareng Nemalen, partikular na rin kayanakan, king mabanding kasalesayan ng syudad. Agpang kang Lazatin, pakatutukan king heritage tours, ring college students, akukwang tourism courses. Bang mas abalupang lakwasing lokal na kultura at apag maraguliti king karela lang programa at propesyon.
Nung nakita po natin yan, we tapped to schools and invited students. Maski even po ang students natin na taga dito, they haven't even been to the Pamintuan Mansions. They haven't even been inside the Museo ng Angeles. They don't know the story behind the Holy Rosary Church. So we start po muna kung sining nasa atin, yung sariling atin muna. And then dun natin, we open up to others. Taga Manila, international, but our priority first is our students.
Kabilang kareng destinasyong puntalan king heritage tours ing Pamintuan Mansions, Museo ning Angeles, Holy Rosary Parish Church at ing Kulinaryo. Pabalo na mo namang Lazatin na kabilang kareng plano ning city government lalam ning pamuntok ng Mayor John Lazatin para king tutuking banwa ing mika air conditioned jeepneys adudurot kareng mani mo ng heritage site king syudad bang maging komportable ing biyahe dareng turista. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.